how to deactivate your Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the app, then navigate to your profile. And once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the settings. Once the settings open, select the first option, Account Center, and then in Account Center, scroll down a little bit and select Manage Accounts. Go ahead and select Account Ownership and Control, and then all you need to do is select Deactivation or Deletion. Once in here, select the account that you want to deactivate, and then just make sure that Deactivate Account is selected, and then select Continue. On this page, it'll show you what you'll deactivate. So if you have a Threads account, that'll be deactivated as well as anything that you've posted to Instagram. So go ahead and select Continue. Then you'll need to enter in your Instagram passwords. So do that and then select Continue. It'll then bring you to where we need to select a reason for why we are deactivating our account. I'm just going to select a random one and then select Continue. It'll give you some remedies based on what you selected. So go ahead and select Continue. And then all we need to do is select Deactivate Account. Give it a second. It's going to log you out of your account, and it may log you into another account if you have another one logged in the app. Keep in mind, it's really easy to reactivate your Instagram account. All you need to do is log back into it. So you could do that at any time, and that'll bring it right back and reactivate your Instagram account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.